Hey guys, today I've got a massive Airsoft unboxing today. This is about $600 worth of stuff. So we're going to go through it item by item. There are 3 guns here and a tiny little package here. So we're going to do this one first. Now, most of these were bought from individuals, second-hand. This is no exception. This is an ACOG sight with a micro red dot sight on it. So it's got the integrated red dot and ACOG reticle. This is the first gun then, and we're going to quickly unbox this. And this is should be a SIG 552. So this should be a SIG 552 from ICS. Put that down. Yep, this is the FDE tan version of the SIG 552. It's made by ICS, so it's got a tan stock, handle and handguard. And this also came with a few extra magazines, I believe, which should be in here. 2 high caps, and this mid cap. I'll be doing an unboxing, a review video on this later. Just put that down there. And this is a Scar WE, so this is a gas gun, not the electric one. And this one should be a black gun, yes. Yep. And we're just going to chuck this to one side, it's got a load of packing peanuts in it. So this is the gas gun, and it came with a magazine which is still in the box. There's really not much to say about this. I can do a video on it later. And it's also similar to the next gun in this unboxing. And this one is the... So this is the next gun, and this is a Scar WE again, but this is the tan version. Why I bought 2 of the same, I don't know. So this gun I bought slightly after the black one because I saw it online and I really liked it. And so it's just a tan version. It came with some accessories actually. Same the collapsible stock. Yep. And it came with a holographic sight and a copy of a Surefire, I can't remember what these are called, flashlight, if that should be on. There we go. Yep, quite powerful Surefire flashlight, some rail covers, and that's about it. I will be doing another video on this later on. This gun was also came with a few magazines. Can't remember how many. I think it's one there, 2, 3, 4. So we delivered with 3 extra magazines, which is awesome. So out of the box, this will be perfect for playing. It's a gas gun, nice and snappy. Nice. That's going to do it for this unboxing video. Just to summarise, I got an ACOG with the red dot sight there. I bought a SIG 552, which isn't bad actually. I'm not a massive fan of these guns, but I picked one up anyway because this is my first SIG. And I also got a SCAR L by WE, so this is the gas version, and another SCAR L, but this is the tan version by WE also, with all its accessories. That's it for this unboxing video. There will be more to come, so if you like this content, please subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, fuck off. There we go. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.
Dab on haters.